Hey there, Course 3. In this lesson, all you really need to know is this right here. The equation percent times whole equals part. This means whole, the whole thing, and this means part. And they've got that up here. A percent of means times. A whole is means equal sign. Part. And those will always be translated that way. So looking at number 1 here, 32, just write it as you read it, ounces, if it helps to label it, is 25%, so let's just turn that into our decimal right away, of gallon. We don't know that part yet. How many ounces is a gallon? So this is the same basic structure, just with the part on the left and the percent and the whole on the right. So we just flip-flopped it, but it's the same thing. So what's the missing factor when we know the product and a known factor? We divide this by the known factor, right? Both sides. So this gets canceled. And when you have a full gallon, divide by 0.25, which is really like multiply by 4. 32 divide by 0.25. To me, easier would be 32 times 4 is 128, I think. 128 ounces. Okay, so that's sort of a commonplace problem that maybe wouldn't have been easier to use this equation. But what if we use it on these dreaded sales tax questions? Mr. Velasquez bought a used car for $8,500. Notice how I write the things as I get them. Sales tax rate was 7%. What's that in decimal? 0.07. How much did Velasquez pay in tax? 8,500 is the whole, right? Whole. This is the percent. This means of. This means is. And then we've got the part that we don't know yet, sales tax. Let's put S for sales tax. So this is pretty simple. We just multiply, right? 8,500 times 0.07. 0.35, 59, and then these are all going to be zeros. So we count 1, 2, $595 is the sales tax. All right, and then number 3. So we did number 1, did number 2. Blanca correctly answered 23 of 25 questions. 23 is the part she did right. Out of 25, what percent of 25 is this part? Part is percent of whole. So we divide both sides to get the percent by itself. We're dividing by 25 so that we can go like that. Must do the same to both sides. 23 divided by 25 is our percent. It's all about getting this all in order. So just follow the equation. 25 fits into 230. Let's see, 8, 9 times. Because 8 times would be 200, plus another one would be 225. With 5 left over. I think I'm doing all right. And then you'd fit that in there twice, right? Hopefully that's good without a calculator. What percent of the questions did she answer correctly? Percent means move this times 100. 90.2 or just 90%? How'd we do? Oh, 92. So 23 divided by 25. We should have dropped the 0 first. We didn't need to put this in. That was my mistake. This is 92%. Okay. Now, you can always check that on a calculator. You're probably doing it on a calculator anyway. Let's do B, which is a very reasonable actual thing you'll have to do in real life, and C, because it's the same idea. B, C, E, F.